Kevin here from Whole Fleet Diagnostics. We are in the off-highway module of the Jaltest software here today. We are going to look up a model request from a customer here. We're going through to see if we have coverage for that John Deere 350P. This particular gentleman is interested to see if we have coverage that of a late model 350P John Deere. So I'm fairly certain we have it in here. I'm just going to go into the heavy equipment section under John Deere, and we should be able to find a P series in the list. Right down at the bottom there's P series, and we've got, there it is, the 350P, and it looks like we have for the 350P, we've got coverage for the engine and after treatment system tier 4 final level 40 ECM. So it's just a matter of highlighting that engine module and then going up and hitting the connect button here. We'll take a quick look here at what functions we have, what special functions we have just listed in the shortcuts. So system after treatment system fault code clearance, that's an important one. Compression test, cylinder cutout test, injector coating, injector exchange, and DPF filter cleaning reset. We'll see what we got once we get in. So if I highlight that engine module, go up and hit the connect button, we're going to get into this 350P engine. And yeah, we saw most of the maintenance here. So filter cleaning. We've also got coolant purge from the DEF system. We've got coating of the SCR, coating of the VGT, DPF coating, DOC coating, injector coating. And then under system checks, we saw a few of these already, but we've also got that AdBlue DEF system testing as well. So DEF metering system, or DEF metering test, and then the DEF pump test. And then under actuate components, we've got EGR valve and fuel pump, fuel feed pump activations also. So in addition to that, we can go through and look at live data, and we've also obviously got our fault code section here as well. So you can see we've got the OEM fault codes here, some freeze frame data. We don't have a whole bunch for fault code troubleshooting information or fault code component info, but we do have some guided troubleshooting trees for these particular faults. So yeah, lots in here. Definitely a good option for servicing your 350P engine after treatment system. Definitely will be more information capabilities to come on this module with future updates. But we've got the engine, the most important part there, the engine and after treatment coverage is built in. Any other models that you guys want to check out in the system, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.